Hi guys, my name is Anne and I'm here to present you our D&D accessories concept. I want to show you some items created by our team to enrich your D&D gameplay. I personally love them, and I want you to fall in love with them as well. As a game addict, I see what issues gamers face during setup, cleanup, and the game itself. I try to improve the gameplay with the help of different game stuff. About 9 months ago, I started to create different board game accessories to bring more functionality, fun, and inspiring atmosphere to the game. At the moment, it's my full-time job with a small team of game admirers. I love D&D. For me, it's not just a game. D&D is a celebration of your imagination. I believe that the better the game-playing atmosphere that you have, the more satisfaction you get. That's why I am so delighted that our team has decided to create our new RPG accessories collection. There are many D&D goods on the market. However, we believe that many of them either lack the functionality or the true spirit of the game. Because of this imbalance, we became excited to design our own products. We intended to create a unique product that is up-to-date and exciting to play. We tried lots of different materials and modifications before we chose what we believe is the best option. As you may already know, one of the most significant principles of role-playing games is a random chance. A classic dice tower has only one way down. We have designed the tower with 3 falling paths to make sure all the dice roll randomly. We even added extra levels to increase dice torsion as each one hits the walls. Such multi-level construction guarantees maximum randomness. In our development, we have paid great attention to each detail, ergonomics, and usability. Thus, we have emphasized the importance and uniqueness of each item. We have not killed the spirit of this great board game. That's why we created removable dice tray decorations to match different tabletop gaming styles. Dice storage boxes with top movable compartments contain strong magnetic clasps. Thus, our boxes protect all the dice from falling apart. The notebooks have pages specially designed for Dungeons&Dragons notes. All of our products are hand-assembled, made out of high-quality birch plywood and acrylics. This makes them both solid and light. Once you get it, you will be pleasantly surprised with this craftsmanship. We've put a part of our soul into the production of these items. Do you love board games as much as I do? Then back our project and tell your friends about it. It is you who can help us successfully market this project and thrill even more tabletop fans.